do you think of Echo, Anna?
Excited, but also a little bit scared from what I hear.
Me too. It made me think, you know. If Echo is collecting data about us, how about when I helped my friend to set up personal AI?
What personal AI? It sounds intriguing.
Oh, it's a dating app. You just join with the username and email.
A dating app? Are those not supposed to be for 17 and over?
Calm down. It was for my friend.
What? Is your friend not the same age as you?
Well, he is. But he is smart. He knows what he's doing. After all, the app is just with AI characters. It's just a game, not real life.
Haha, you think so?
It's not serious. You know, text chats, images, videos with AI cartoon characters, and fun conversations.
These apps can share your data to third parties.
What's third parties?
Well, third parties in your apps are like guests at your party you didn't know you invited. It's not just you and the app, you know? There are all these other companies involved in the background. They collect data about you, like what you tap on, how long you stay on a page, or even your location. It's kind of like someone taking notes on your preferences without you even noticing.
Seriously?
Yes, but sometimes they are also useful as they give data on how well the app is used, or they can provide extra features within the app.
What, like AI characters with additional cool functions? So that's good then.
Wait, others are not that innocent. For example, bombarding you with adverts. Have you not ever seen ads in the app that seem oddly specific to you?
Yes, I have. But sometimes I find that helpful. I can buy cool new shoes I didn't even know about.
What if your parents can't afford them? No matter what, knowing that there are third parties is important because it's about your privacy and how your personal information can be shared. All these apps could be more serious than you think. You have to be careful, that's all I'd say.